Hi there, welcome to today's K2 base short video. The topic today is how to draw obstacle. For that I have already prepared a flat roof with our D-Dome V system here. Now you see here the obstacle. Before I draw the obstacle, to make it to make it simpler, I will make the modules invisible for a short time. Then I go here to the area of the obstacles. Now I have the possibility to draw polygon, rectangle, or line shaped obstacles. In this case we have a rectangular obstacle. So I draw the first line first. As you can see, it is always parallel to the roof edges and it jumps in a rectangle. If I don't want that, I push the shift button and then I can make my first line as I want. If I release the shift button and move the mouse, it jumps back to a parallel position. I will do the obstacle a little too small now on purpose, and then here a little too big also on purpose, just to show you that afterwards I can alter the size of the obstacles by using my mouse. So then I can give my obstacle a height and I can give it a minimum edge distance. I can show the shading or not show the shading. If I show it, it's always the shading on the 21st of December. So now let's go to the 2D view, because here I have the possibility to put the obstacles where I want. For example, 11 meters from this edge. I can jump between these two functions here, show the size of the obstacles or the position. Of course, I can also alter the size of the obstacles. So now I can show my modules I hid before, and once I do that, you see here that in the area of the obstacles automatically I have no modules. If I have more than only one obstacles of the same size and same shape, I just can copy the first one and move it to the position I want, which I would do in the in the map view maybe. But in this case I don't have two obstacles, so I can easily delete my obstacle number 2 by clicking the X. That was it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I could show you something interesting. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next time.